Okay, so I just wanted to clear some things up because I have a porn star on my ass now over a joke that was posted to 4chan. As usual, my friends over on 4chan are getting me in a little bit of trouble. It's a long story. And, I got this other girl that's literally stalking me and admitting that she's stalking me and trying to provoke me into, so, anyways, some new traffic is getting brought to my channel. Okay. And it's people that think that I'm a horrible, evil person. Okay. But if you really look at like the context, look at one of my most viewed videos. One of my most viewed videos is about what Haitians taught me about machete fighting because they have a tradition of machete fighting in Haiti, okay? And they didn't actually teach me how to do it because they don't teach white men how to do that. I'm telling you, this is what they told me. It's just they're not allowed to do that. It's against their cultural traditions, which I respect, okay? And, I have when I went to prison, I met people from all over the world, okay? I really know people from all over the world. And prison is a very racially charged environment. Okay. And I make no bones about that. In prison, you stick with your own tribe because it's literally a matter of life and death. Okay. And in most of the world, like that's really the way things are. In South America and in Africa and even in like Eastern Europe, you kind of stick with your own tribe. So I get called a white supremacist over and over and over and over and over again. But, Siri, I'm pretty sure and we're gonna make a whole different video to address Siri and what she's going on. But Siri and all these crazy, this believe women thing is out of control because if you go to the r/confession subreddit, one of their rules is you cannot question any of their stories. You have to believe them. So you have a rule where if I tell you that I traveled to a different planet and had sex with a Nordic alien, like you have to believe me. You see what I mean? Like if I tell you a crazy, this is a headphone thing. If I tell you a crazy story, like you have to believe me. That's one of the rules on this subreddit. Okay? And so literally I have an angry mob that will not care about my side of the story, no matter how much evidence I said, But anyways, that's kind of a side issue. I've already addressed that in a different video. But to the new people that are finding my channel from these little controversies and stuff, I just want you to know that, this narrative that gets thrown around that I'm a white supremacist, one, I'm no longer part of the militia. I haven't been for years. Okay. So that's a past part of my life. And the reason I was part of that is because my neighborhood got taken over by criminals. Okay. So my neighborhood literally got taken over by criminals. Things are getting dangerous. Okay. And I wanted to be patriotic and stand up for my people when I was younger. Okay. And that's what I did when I was like 20 years old. But I'm 31 years old now. I'm trying to move on, and you people won't let me move on. And so, what I'm trying to get you to realize, any new people that are watching me, like all of these caricatures have been made of me. There's basically the caricature Jordan Jareb that the media has created, and then there's the real Jordan Jareb that actually exists. And I'm trying to get you to realize that there's a real me, that I'm a real human being. And this image the media has created of me, and it's an image that's outdated and not even accurate to who I am today. And it's really annoying. These people that keep Googling me and they keep seeing results from, And so what I'd really like my audience to do is, man, make some blogs and link to my videos. Let's hit the search engines with some new information because it's I'm not saying we should do anything nefarious. I'm just saying let's make the search engines reflect who I am in 2026. A landowner, a businessman, a tax-paying citizen, a social media influencer. That's who I am in 2026. Okay, I'm not a militia terrorist in 2026. I don't think I ever was a terrorist. But anyways, if I ever was one, I'm certainly not that in 2026. So why can't we just talk about who I am in 2026? Why am I always being compared to something that happened years ago? I went to prison. I met people from all over the world at the administrative management unit. And yeah, I care about my people and my tribe, but like I don't hate any other race. And like half of my subscribers are not white. If you're new here, you probably don't know that. But I got people from like Indonesia and the Philippines and stuff like that watch my channel. There's like a guy from Mexico that watches my channel. So like I really don't have any issue with any other race if they're not hurting me. And I'm not going to blame you, an individual, for something that, a lot of people in your race do or something. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not hostile to people. I treat people with respect if they treat me with respect. Okay? I treat people as individuals. People treat me disrespectfully, then, I cut them off, or maybe I disrespect them back, or maybe I outmaneuver them, or whatever. I handle that however I handle that. I don't want to give you my formula. I don't want to give you my playbook. I like being very unpredictable. But anyways, that's where we find ourselves. I'm getting called a white supremacist by these people, and I could literally get married to a black woman and they would still call me a white supremacist. I'm telling you. I'm not going to marry a black woman because I want my kids to look like me. But if I did, they would still call me a white supremacist. Like they're never going to stop calling me that. But I wish they would. I wish they would, because I'm just a tribalist. I believe in the same thing that an African believes about his people. Africans want to look out for Africans. Asians want to look out for Asians. So I'm not a hateful person. I'm not out to get nobody if they're not out to get me. But I will protect myself from people when they start acting crazy with me. And some of you feminists have been acting kind of crazy recently. And if I, God forbid, if I get seen in a photograph, with a hot girl, like we're in a hot tub or something, and I'm with some hot girls, people call me a cult leader and a groomer. You can't win. If you don't get laid, they call you an incel. If you're seen with hot girls, they call you a groomer. Like, you can't win, bro. Like, So again, all these accusations get thrown at me. I'm saying, where's the evidence? Where's the evidence that I've done anything to you? I haven't done anything to you, people. As far as the Siri thing, that was a joke on 4chan. And yeah, I entertained it in some of my chats or whatever. It was a funny joke. Surprised it took you a whole year to figure out that there was a joke about you. Why did it take you an entire year to figure this out, Siri? I don't understand that. But anyways, I just wanted to clear that up. Stop calling me a white supremacist. That's not accurate. I'm a tribalist. Okay, I just believe in basically just human nature. I believe in being a human. Become a human again. This is a human. This is what we look like. We're breaking the conditioning. Jordan Jerub signing off.